nakatakdang pamunuan ng pinakabagong head coach na si Albert Capellas ang kampanya ng Philippine Men's National Football Team sa King's Cup mula October 11 hanggang 14 sa Thailand. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Isang buwan mula ng formal na inanunsyo bilang bagong head coach, agad na masusubukan ang Spanish tactician na si Albert Capellas sa nakatakdang kampanya ng Philippine Men's National Football Team sa King's Cup na gaganapin mula October 11 hanggang 14 sa Thailand. Sabway naman nung pagharap ni Capellas sa press conference ng Philippine Football Federation noong nakaraang linggo, agad niyang inilahat ang mga pagbabago na nais niyang ilatag sa national team.
That we want to play more from the back to build up the game. We want to avoid wrong balls without sense. We want to have better ball position. We want the opponent to run more, and we want to structure them. Also want to create more chances. We want to win the ball back as quick as possible. When we lose the ball, that means we want to press forward, to press high, to try to pick up the ball closer to the opponent goal. And also, we want to play offensive, that we want to create chances.
Bago maging opisyal na head coach, nakasama na rin si Capellas sa naging laro ng koponan kontra sa Tajikistan sa 2024 Merdeka Cup nito lamang Setyembre. Ayon sa 57-year-old mentor, napahanga umano siya sa kalidad ng naging huling laro ng Pilipinas sa naturang torneo.
When I saw the game against Tajikistan, I already start to show a lot of things that are aligned in the way that we want to play. And also I saw a lot of players that could play in that way and they love it. I saw the faces of the players at the end of the game that they were happy, they were inspired, and they were proud in the way that they played that game. And that, it gives me a lot of hope.
Unang makatapat ng Philippine Men's National Football Team ang Thailand ngayong Biyernes ganap na alas 8 ng gabi. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.